brand new Gemini update. So this is actually recent and just came out actually a few hours ago. And they've changed the whole entire look of Gemini, but also a lot of the key changes are now quite large. So one of the biggest things right now is before they had like a daily rule. So like it was mainly 100 prompts per day. So if you had like, let's say a casual, one-on-one with Gemini, you'd only be able to have like 100 prompts, and no matter how small or how big the text would be, it would count towards your prompt. Whereas now it's more about compute, right? So let's say, for example, like you have a one-on-one text message with them, like, hey, how's it going? This is going to use far less than something like previously where it was all just counted as the same. So yeah, but the thing is that it does now go on a 5-hour basis. So it refreshes every 5 hours, depending on, of course, your Google subscription. But so now there's the usage tab, and you can see 0% used. See if I refresh it, just that one text message. It's really not that bad. 3% total for the weekly limit. So now they have limits. If you want more, you got to upgrade, of course. But yeah, now it has usage limits and a 5-hour limit. So that definitely changes the overall. And again, if you are a free user, it's definitely, you're going to be subject to a lot more of the tighter thresholds within computing, but also just within the messaging and the memory and everything. So you might be paused entirely, but I believe the pro subscribers, you get a lot more, but also like as you keep going, if they find that, you're starting to run low, they will actually change your model so that you can still use it to a good degree. So now they added the 3.5 flash as well, and we're gonna be going through the extended model just to quickly maybe show something. So again, the best thing about the 3.5 extended models is good for like reasoning, coding. Let's just say for this demo, we're gonna do a quick little prompt just saying, hey, create me a clock app, and see how it goes with dark mode, toggle, everything. So this is definitely something that was a lot more, I guess, Claude based, codex based, but now, like I said, Gemini is starting to get in the game, and yeah, we're definitely going to see what kind of product it creates here. So as you can see, act as a lead software engineer, write a single block, fully functional, completely self-contained, clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code to build a productivity timer app. So we'll see what it ends up doing, implementing error handling. And like I said, there's a whole new UI around this. Like everything's a lot more rounded. So yeah, overall looks pretty good. But so you saw how fast that gave out the response, and now let's copy it and see how it works. So we're just going to take this HTML, paste it in code, pen, and boom, just like that. Dark mode works, light mode works. Got the timer going. You can change it to whatever you'd like. 11, 5-minute break. So yeah, you saw how fast that was. Matter of seconds, and we already have a working HTML script with 380 lines of code. So their new Flash 3.5 is definitely not only fast, but pretty good. So pretty impressed with how it is overall. We'll see how it ends up going. Like I said, there's definitely lots of benefits to Gemini, especially with integrating it within your Google account. So we'll see how people like it, but I'm definitely excited to see where it's gonna go. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with how it's working so far. Again, we'll see with the usage. Even just with that prompt, let's see, we're still at 1%, so it's definitely not too bad. But like I said, I'll keep everyone updated with how it goes. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comments below. As always, it's been Stromatic, guys, and peace.